Hello. We are back with the second binary puzzle number 2 in this edition of today's newspaper of Friday, September the 25th, 2020, almost weekend. Yes, and the number 2 binary, yes, binary number 2 we are going to solve. This will be number 1619. Alright, and what kind of binary is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary. That means in a column or in a row there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here and O, then O. Double O, here and 1, then 1. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here and 1, then 1. Double O, here and 1, then 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here and 1, then 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here and O, then O. Double O, here and 1, then 1. Double 1, here and O, then O. Double O, here and 1, then 1. 4 1s in this column, so the rest are O's. 4 O's in this row, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s in this column, so the rest are O's. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Then do we need to compare? That's the question. Nope. Double 1, here no, there no. Yeah. We need no. We. Yeah. Almost the same. 001. Yes, we need to compare with the second row. In this row, 1 1 0 0 1 1. Empty box 1 1 0 0 0 0. We need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here and O, there and O. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Do we need to compare again? The first column and the second column almost the same. Look, empty box 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0, empty box. So we need to switch these two numbers or digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O, because one of the rules, no identical columns or identical rows. So I need to switch them, otherwise we have identical columns. Alright, so now let me see. Not completed. No, not completed. Need to compare again. Alright. Yeah. The third one and This one. Yes, can you see this? Empty box 110000110011 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Completed in 5 minutes. Alright, great binary. You need a lot of comparing. So I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a moment with the last two tectonics, tectonic number 1 and tectonic number 2. So see you later. Bye bye for now.